Hello everybody, I'm Daryl and this is Crystal. Welcome to Recipes Mania. Today we will be making Peppy rice. We are wearing our masks today to protect ourselves during this COVID pandemic. And I will turn everything over to Crystal and she will tell me what to do.
Okay, if you could please take that rice and layer it all on the bottom of the casserole dish, and we will be right back.
All right. Okay, Crystal, now that we have this done and have it all layered at the bottom, what's the next step?
You see those 2 eggs?
Yes, I do. I put them right here in this mug.
Yes, now you just layer them over the rice.
Okay. Should I whip them first?
Actually, you know what? That might be a good idea.
All right.
Alright, so the eggs are in with the yellow rice, and Daryl has mixed it all together so we don't end up with scrambled eggs and rice. That's not really what we're going for, but we are ready for the next step.
Okay, now the next step is that pepperoni.
Okay.
We're gonna layer that on.
Okay, so we'll layer this pepperoni on top.
Yep, and be right back.
All right. Well, it's looking good. We have the rice down and the pepperoni on top with the eggs mixed into it. What would be the next step?
The next step would be our favorite here at Recipes Mania, the cheddar cheese soup.
Cheddar cheese.
And Renee and I are going to give you a quick history lesson. We've really been using this stuff since the beginning.
Yep, we have.
Yep, the cheddar cheese soup.
Well, everybody loves cheddar cheese.
So this.
Oh, the cheddar cheese soup? All right. I've actually never had cheddar cheese soup.
Boy, have you been missing out.
Now that we have that step completed, our next step, I know what that's gonna be. It would be these 2 cans of Goya pink beans, right?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Let's put these on top and layer them on top of this delicious dish that we have going on here.
And we will see you when we're all layered. You know what? I forgot that we have to put the oven on 375. So Daryl's gonna go do that and we'll be right back.
Alright, the beans are on and this is looking really yummy, I must say.
And she's taking it home.
Yep.
So Renee, you tell them our last and best step.
Looks like our last step is some shredded cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar.
That looks great. So we're gonna layer that on top of here?
Yes, and the rest of that bag, okay?
All right. So that's about a half a bag. A little bit more than half a bag.
Yep, we're just gonna layer that on, and after the oven preheats, we'll put that in for 30 minutes, 15 with the lid on and 15 with the lid off, and then we'll see when it's done.
Alright, there it is, just out of the oven. It looks yummy. I am excited for dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.